All right. Let's see. All right.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get that breakout. Let's see if we can get that breakout. And I should have gone bigger size because it can run, but let's see if it holds. Once it holds, then I shall think about adding more size. 5. Let's see if we can get that breakout. And I should have gone bigger size because it can run, but let's see if it holds. Let's see if it pull back and retest. Once it holds, then I shall think about
Trade. Instrument. Buy 50. Trade. Instrument. Buy 50.
All right, some buyers coming in. Come back down to 700, maybe. Oh, if it pull back and retest, it holds. Then I shall think of
Trade. Instrument. Buy 50. Trade. Instrument. Buy 50.
some buyers coming in. All right, we missed it. Pull back and retest. We missed it. All right. No, which is fine. We missed it. That's fine. All right. Let's see here. Oh, we're already at the 61 fib. Wow. That's crazy. Okay. All right. So I should just take profits here. But it's a challenge, so I really don't care. Um, let's see. Structure is here. Oh yeah, I'm way late to the party. My trade should have been at around like 2:45. uh, all right. Let's see where. All right. So VIX is pulling down. That's good. All right. Let's see how this is looking. We got a doji there. I mean, realistically, could we keep running to the back to key levels? Maybe. However, what I'm gonna do, because I don't know, right now 26 should be my stuff, which is here. All right, so that's my stop. Is there another structure? Because the fair value gap can come and get hit. Should I add and then try to peel off there? Doesn't make sense. Um, let's see. Because I think structure-wise, I can come back down here and take. Um, well, let's see.
Order filled.
Let's sit on the sideline. Let's take that and sit on the sideline and see what happens. If it comes back and retest, then we got something. Um, maybe it won't retest. Maybe I shouldn't have closed. Who knows? But I think a retest will happen sooner or later. Let's see. Okay. Momentum. Any big orders at the top? Um, not so much. Well, yeah, but okay. Okay. Yeah, it could continue. I could be wrong with that. Ah, Jesus. Antonio Brown. Another attempt at ruining himself. Um, I mean, I could take a 23 fib down to the 50s. Yeah, I'll try that little small little.
Trade. Instrument. By 28. Trade. Instrument. By 28.
Uh, let's see. Let's see. See if I can catch that small move. Move stops here. Take TP right here. We'll see. How many points is that? 35 points. Let's see if it works. I don't think so, but tilt long. All the tilts are long here.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see. Okay, well, risking 250. All right, that's the profits that I have. If it pulls back down here, it takes me out. Let's see. Let's see if we can go with a short 23 fib, try to get to the 50s, which is 702. And if we can get to 702, oh, nope, never mind. I thought we were going to get it, but let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I know the likelihood is not really strong because it's not enough for me to go by that, but I want to test out and see exactly what's going on. MACD is saying no, that's not the case. Um, MACD is saying, hey, we're going bullish even more. So we'll see. 3-minute candle is saying otherwise. It's saying it's a bullish move, 2-minute candle. So it is a bullish upside. I was just trying to see if I can clip it, but maybe I'm wrong. We'll see. Maybe it holds support at 50. Oh, nope, it broke 50 already. All right, so let's just see how it plays around 50. Can it hold 50? Can it not hold 50? These are, these are the things that I am looking at to see if it may break, which I think is going to break an upside. Now, if it does break an upside, I could go long to 845, which is feasible. Yeah, let's get that. Let's get out of that. If it hit.
Order filled.
All right, that's fine. Go to the 100-tick chart. All right, so if we break over 75, and
Order filled.
so now we got that in place. All right,
Trade. Instrument. Sell 35. Trade. Instrument. Sell 35.
stop loss being hit. I'm adding 2 more guys.
Order filled.
And then I'm going to bring my stop up, which I don't want to because this here is a decent stop. But let's see here. Let's see here. All right. 750s. And then also, double tap on the 100-tick. I'm shaking my boots. It could rip down though. Let's see. 42, 42, 42, 42. Not that crazy, but yeah, 40. Why not? All right, so 40, risking 400. If I lose that, that's 300. All right. It could fill that fair value gap though. Yeah. All right, let's see something here. Let's go this account and let's go with
Order filled.
and see if it's just bouncing that fair value gap area. Move stop loss up here to 20, 25. Let's do 20. So that way we give ourselves a little bit of room. Did I get stopped out on this? Almost. All right, so took that fair value gap out. All right. Is there news at 45? Nope, at 10 o'clock. Okay, well, okay. I don't like how that's forming, but that's fine. Break of structure here, that's a clear 23 fib trade, I think. Yeah, if it breaks this level here, I'm going heavy because I do see that. So I'm just going to load it up right now. If we do break below 20, eh, not 27, but rather 45. 45, really? So should I put my stop at 45? But I do think at 45, if it breaks structure there on the 2 minute, that could be a short. Same thing on the 3 minute. Three minutes left. Okay. All right, let's see how this plays. All right, so now my thing is, if we break structure here, okay. Now if we break structure here, should I add and try to catch the rip? Let's see. Structure will be around 70, 89. Yeah, 88, 89. So if we go up here, 88 or 89, there's really nothing major there from what I see here. There's a big order at 80 and 90, but not huge. Okay, so maybe not. Maybe not. But there is a decent order at 75. Yep, there it is. All right, I think that we may be looking at a potential pullback because it is at the 61 fib on a longer time frame. Break of structure here. All right. You know what? I'm gonna go bias against the market after this candle close. And I'm gonna look for shorts, which we'll see how this candle close, and it'll tell me if I should go for shorts or not. I really ideally want to go for shorts because it's at this 61 fib. That's one. My structure here, if it breaks below, it has to come back and touch. Now, Where's that mother freaking where is it? 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 Where's my orb? I mean my point of control. It's probably above it somewhere. Whatever. So I don't know where the point of control is, so I'm gonna close out.
Order filled.
I'll take that loss. I'm gonna close this out because I don't
Order filled.
I'll take that loss. And I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna go short because
Order filled.
if we can hold structure here, 25 points. Okay, yep. And then I'll load up here. And I'll go full contract if it can break below here on this account. Yep, I already got that there on this account. Oh, let's see. Let's see if we go back and touch 50. Oh, touch 50. Shit, I fucked it up. Oh well. Let's see how this close. All right. Uh, let's go for it. Let's go for it. All right. Yep, broke structure. Maybe come back and retest. If it does. If not, and rips down, we can see how this move plays.
Order filled.
Right, came back retest. Will it be a fake out? The breakout? All right, now I'm gonna put my stop above, which is 390 bucks. That's gonna put me at 500. Ugh. All right. What I'm gonna do is on my live account. Oops, I'm already late. I'm gonna go
Order filled.
one on my live. Put that there. That's 78. I can go two.
Order filled.
I'll risk 150. All right. I'm risking 150 on a live account. And then on the two challenges, I'm gonna risk I'm risking 250 right now, but let's just push that up a little bit and say, yeah, let's risk that because I think I'm risking 1,000 on each. This account and then this account here, I'm close, so I need to be careful with this. I might blow it. We'll see. I'm not so worried about blowing the account. Let's just see how it plays. I thought I had something. I thought I had something. All right. It held structure. Interesting. Okay. Yep. It held structure there. Huh. Maybe I was wrong or too early. Okay. That's fine. That is fine. Uh, uh, that is fine. Okay. Let's see what's going on in the other chart. We still got bullish on the yeah, it hasn't confirmed yet. This is where I really needed to break. Break and hold below that area. I think we got something. And that is what, 50, 50? Nah. 41, 41, 41. If it can break a hole below 41, I think we got something. But we'll see. The only thing the only dilemma that I'm looking at is, well, the market has already had its huge pullback this morning, through through the different sessions. So, will it, is it setting up to go back up to the 22,000s? Maybe. So that's why when the live account I'm playing a little bit more subtle, because I think if we do have that momentum on that side of things, I want to be ready for it. But do I think it can go down? I think so. All right. I said I'm free. I don't like that candle at all. Once again, it bounced here and went back up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's not trying to break, huh? It's not trying to break, guys. Let's see what we got here. Some decent orders forming at 40. Okay, some decent volume forming at 40. All right. Yeah, some decent volume forming at 40. Maybe it gets it. Maybe it gets it. There's those stop orders.
Trade. Instrument. Sell 38. Trade. Instrument. Sell 38.
38. on the downside. So maybe, yep. All right, people are buying on this side here. It is covering. Let's see. Come on. Break 40. Break 40 for me. Oh, someone just put a nice order in. At 40. Come on, go eat 40. And they removed it. They put and if we look here, we can see at 40 is only 9 contracts. So 40 and 41, whatever that is, maybe 41. It's 13 contracts, 8 contracts now. I want to see if it's gonna break below 50 though. It's not trying to break below 50, it's holding that. It's holding 50 though, I ain't gonna lie. Come on, come on. All right. Oh my God. What the heck just happened? What the hell just happened? All right. All right. So it's gonna be a breakout.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's gonna be a breakout on the top side. So all right.
Order filled.
Let's see if it's gonna break out on the top side. Like it just pushed. It can be a wick out, right? So it got me with that. It got me on this. I was hoping it was gonna go down, and now it's trying to. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. What the hell was that? Huh. That was a freaking. All right, let me do this here. Let me go back. Wait, oh, I did. Ah, shit. I thought I did freaking 5 contract.
Order filled.
Oh well, that's my fault. So I blew that. I thought I did 5 contracts. But it is what it is. All right. So once again, the wick out came back. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, this here is a clear sign on the downside, right? All right. Well, we're gonna push it. We're gonna push it. We're gonna push it.
Order filled.
We're gonna push it. We're gonna push it. We're gonna push it. Once again, we're gonna try to push it. Let's see. If it can break those levels. All right, that's 15. And then I'm gonna take profits here.
Trade. Instrument. By 37. Trade. Instrument. By 37.
Wait, oh shit, I'm already in here. Oh shit. All right, let's see. Let's have some fun with this, man. Wait a second. Did I put $500 risk? Oh yeah, I gotta be careful then. Okay, so I gotta be very careful. Okay. All right. Mm, so, and I'm probably gonna be done soon actually, because if this don't hit, I'm gonna take the weekend off because I got a lot of to do. I got a lot of itch to do. I got a lot of itch to do. I got a lot of itch to do. Come on. Are you gonna give me the break? Or are you gonna keep faking me out like you did earlier? Hey, hey, hey. Uh-oh. NASDAQ just took a beating today on my alerts. Oh no, only one trade it took. Okay. Okay, it took a buy. And it got crushed. All right. All right, guys. So this here is gonna be the last trade of the day.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get a runner. All right. Let's see if we can get a runner. Let's see if we can get a runner. Can it break? This the third time. Can it break? Can it break? Can it break? Can it break? I don't know. Can it break? Can it break? Can it break the levels? Let's see. Come on, get below 40. We've been speaking about 40. Come on, break 40. I don't know what's there. Is there a lot of volume there? No. Ah, that's interesting. There's no orders there, huh?
Order filled.
Okay. All right. Now we got to be careful, Bless, because they can rip against you, buddy. it can rip against. Oh, well, I have the $500 risk in place, so. All right, let's see if we can
Order
break that.
filled.
Oh, shit. Now, I need to be careful because now I'm in a big size on this account. Can we keep pushing? Can we keep pushing? Break 38? Come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Come on, go get it. 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 Come on. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Hold 38. Shit. It's not gonna hold 38. Yeah. It's gonna rip back up. Fuck. All right, I'm done. I am cooked potatoes. Yep. All right, it's gonna liquidate me. Fuck. With my $500 risk. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting liquidated. Oh well. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I thought I had something, and I wanted to see if I can get a runner, but maybe I'll get wicked out. We'll see. Yep, more than likely. Let's see. Yeah, I got the $500 risk, so I'm gonna just move this up and let it just play because I think I have the $500 liquidate and close. Okay, cool. So let's see. Can it rip back down? I hope it can. But based on how that just closed, I'm not a huge fan of that. And also that 2-minute candle. I'm not a huge fan of that 2-minute candle, to be honest. But let's see. Can you break below? Come on, baby girl. Nope, you cannot. Come on. Break below 38, baby girl. Come on. Get below 38. Did you get to 25? No, you didn't. All right, well, that's all she wrote, guys. If it doesn't go down, I'm going to take a small $500 loss for the day, which is fine. If it does break below, we'll be good, but we'll see. I ain't stressing. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Knowing nasty, it's going to probably spike the fuck up. I know this shit's gonna rip against me, bro. We got a few minutes left. Go and fill out more of this fair value gap for me. That would be amazing. 10 o'clock, get down here and then just rip above. But what I think is gonna happen is here's what's gonna happen, guys. Prediction. 10 o'clock in 3 minutes. What's gonna happen is 10 o'clock news, bang, close me out, come back down. Right? That's what I think it's gonna be. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna say oh, it spiked below and didn't hold. Can it break below 25? Can it break below 25? 23? Can you keep going? Can you keep going? We got 2 more minutes. Give me a little bit more juice. Give me a little bit more juice. A little bit more juice.
Order filled.
All right, I will take that. And if I do lose, well, I get to walk away with at least $50 in profit. Uh, let's see. Now it wants to go, huh? All right, let's see. I'm gonna take another. Oh, come on. Come on, baby cheeks. Come on, baby cheeks. I know news is coming. So that's another thing that I'm afraid of because I know news is gonna spike. I don't really need to hold this trade longer than what I have not right now, so I should just close it, but let's see. Couple more seconds. I'm gonna hold it as close as I can to news, and I'm gonna close it if it goes in my favor. If it doesn't go in my favor, I'm gonna get pinged out, but that's fine. Let's see. Um, come on. We got 30 seconds. Come on. Let's see if we can get close enough. At around 10 seconds, I might peel. If it doesn't rip against me. No, don't do that. Keep going down. There we go. Go and touch 700 before news so that we can rip up. Come on, that's what I'm hoping you do. But you're not going to do that, huh? You're not going to do that. All right.
Order filled.
I'm going to take off. Yeah, because I don't trust this shit. Yep.
Order filled.
Freaking knew it. I knew it. I freaking knew it. I freaking knew it. Oh man. You can't make this shit up, bro. You can't make this shit up. Yeah, $200 is $200. That's fine. What account do I have open here? All right, so I'm done with this account. I don't need to make nothing. $200 a day is cool. I'm gonna lock it out. That's fine. Uh, I knew it was gonna do some shit like that, bro. Oh shit, that's funny as hell. That is funny. All right, now with this account, can I go pack nuts? Can Oh no, I can't go pack nuts because I did this to myself. Put a lock in place. Goddamn blessed. Trying to trade smart. All right. Let's see. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? We still have bullish momentum on this. Do have bearish signals.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go with my alerts. I'm gonna take my alerts and go with it. I'm gonna take my alerts and go with it on a 1 minute chart. Excuse me. If you break below here, I'm trying to go Pacquiao on your ass. I'm going Pacquiao on your ass. All right, let's see. Will it actually break? Probably not, but we'll see. Actually, is it a smart trade though? Not really. It's not a really smart trade because I'm going Pacquiao. I got to get out of freaking 700. So if I'm going that, I'm only doing it for 10 points. Is that wise? Probably not, buddy. Probably not. But let's do this here. Let's look at a higher time frame. That is just, oh, wait a second. Yeah, 98. Yeah, so if I do it now, that's a decent trade because I'm trying to get 30 points. But from 11, do I think I can get that? Probably not, buddy. But hey, if you feel froggy, nigga, leap. If you feel froggy, nigga, leap. That's a strong bearish candle, but on this side here. Let's see. All right, we got that. That. All right, 3 minute closed. Not the way I wanted to close, but that's fine. That's fine. It's holding at 38, so it can go up to the. Yeah, it can rip up. Okay, well, that's yeah. Okay, maybe that's the pullback it needed before starters, ascend. Let's see, 250. Okay. We're going down. We're gonna go down. It's gonna feel but down. It's doing exactly what the 23 fib trade always do. So we can create a high, right? Pull 23, fuck you over, continue, come back 23, break hit to 38, pull back to the 23, right? Usually it pulls back to the 10, but 10 of 23. Now it's gonna go to the 50, right? It's gonna hit 50, probably rip back down to the 23, and then it's gonna rip to 68 if it follows the higher highs, higher lows. No structure. But let's see. Speaking of that, let me see what I got on my other accounts. Okay. 15 Thou Wow. Okay, I'll take that. Should I take that? Or should I? Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay. That's enough for the day. That's enough for the day. Uh-oh. Now it's gonna break? Should I be froggy? Huh. Let's see if I can be froggy. 25. Let's see. Let's say 20. If it breaks below 20, let's go. All right, cool. Let's see. Let's see if we do that. Now, if it does do that, I got to bring this stop like right here. If it does, so let's see. Um, like this is moving so like what? I probably got a day trade on this account. Not buy and hold. And look at this shit. Yeah, I probably got to buy and hold on this account. I mean, I'm day trade on that account because that's not working. This one here. Let's see how bad I'm doing because this is kind of effed up. Bad. Screwed this account over so bad. But I'm still, as bad as I screwed this account over, I'm still somewhat decent. It's just gonna take a lot for me to get back to allocation. I would have to do like a 10-20% return. Uh, yeah, to do a 20% return on this account would be too much. So I gotta reduce my risk profile on this here. All right, cool. And then I can look at my live account on my phone. Okay. All right. Okay. So a couple of things, right? Flag potentially, so potentially could rip on the upside. What else? What else? What else? You can break structure and peel back down to this level here, which is around 690. And as you know, it can hit 690 and then rip right back the hell up. Um, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? That's on the 1 minute chart. If we go 30-minute chart, um, this fair value gap here that is trying, it can fill out, so it can go back down to once again 690-ish. If I did draw my fibs from here, right now we're at the 23 fib. Okay, interesting. Interesting. So if that is the case on this move, this bull move upwards, could we potentially go back down to 593? There's no way. There's no way. Maybe 670, yeah, but not 590. I don't think fives. I don't see fives today. I don't think so. I think six, yes, but fives, no. All right. Oh, my computer's dead. My backup to the backup is dead. Come on, motherfucker. All right, where's Fabian? We need Fabian, bro. So we can fucking joke around and bullshit.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Fuck all the bullshit. Bring this here. That's 1,000. Yep, I knew it. All right. So this is a lot. This is a lot. Oh, oh, did I see a trigger? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I'm riding this bitch to. Oh, let me shut the fuck up. Let me shut the hell up. 700. All right. Take
Order filled.
yeah, take 15 off there, bro. Because 700 is where, we want to be careful. You made some money. That's cool. Now we're risking what we made. Let's see if we can get a little bit more move and get to the level that I thought we can get to. If we were to look at it from the, oh, wrong one. I removed it. So yeah, so now we're at the level that I was talking about earlier over here. So now we're at the 61 fib. Now let's just see if we can push even further down. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. And now I gotta trail my stop. So my stop should be at 24. My stop should be at 25. Yep. Let's just put it at 25. All right, 77 bucks. Okay. And let's just see how we trail with this here. All right. I'm gonna remove all these damn things off the charts. It's too much drawn. I'm just gonna focus on my exit now. Let's see. 25. Okay. Now I do think that this was the area that it was gonna, it was gonna try to get to, right? And we spoke about this earlier. So now that is in this area, I mean, that's pretty much the game. We've hit our goals. Now it could pull back because this whole gap right here, fair value gap right here. Is it gonna go down and try to take 650s? I didn't think so because I said that earlier. I don't think it's gonna go down to 650. Uh, uh, maybe again. All right. So now stop loss is at 18. So I'm gonna move it to 20. So as you guys see, I'm just trailing this here, my trend line, right? Well, my super trend line. And that's where I keep my stops. Should it be closer? Yes, there's two stops that I usually do. I usually either follow this trend or I go on a 2 minute chart and go by the last close on the last candle, which will be too high for me. So I like to follow on the 1 minute. I like to follow this here. It's now at 15. Well, and you will hear me say round numbers 15 and stuff, even though it's less than that. So for example, this year's at now pull back to 18, 17. But I like to use the round numbers that I see so that way I'm protecting myself. So worst case, if this pull back up, I'm at break even now, so I don't really care. Now someone could say, hey, you should have taken profits at the bottom. Yeah, you're right. But I like to trail this year because at the end of the day, that's just how I use this system. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, right? Meaning that sometimes the market just gonna win, which is fine. Oh shit, I should have looked at 75s. And also another thing is the market moves in 25s. In my opinion, this is just when that I've looked at, it always moves in 25s, there's not 50s, but ideally 25. So if you're looking at it, try to take your 10, 20 points, maybe 25 points, and get out the market, right? If you try to hang it longer than that, great, do so, but just understand the risk that comes along with it, which this is one of the risks that come along with it, right? So right now, we got that strong, here we go. This is upward momentum. So for me personally, I'm gonna actually just put a buy stop here and take 3 off the table if it does breaks this level because I just don't like how it's setting up, right? So for me, there we go. Take me out.
Order
Made a little bit
filled.
of profit. Got 2 left on, and yeah, if it hits, we made 450 bucks. So obviously there's signs, right? This candle here is a clear sign of a push up. If we look at the tilt, still short. Wow. Okay. I would think that yeah. A lot of buyers at 694. Okay. So they're around this area here. A lot of buyers are in this area here. Excuse me. And a lot of sellers are around 703. Damn, dudes be getting into shorts too late, huh? Huh. Oh, hey, that's their prerogative, you know what I mean? So, but now I took, you see I took profits here and now it's back down breaking below. But here's the thing. It is what it is. I take some, I win some, I lose some. So I can't be mad about it. I just got to play the game. You feel me? You figure deal me? You figure deal me? All right. Is it gonna break below? I don't think so. Now, why in the hell is my point of control not popping up? Is it that far off? Oh, no. Add on configuration. Um, liquidity sweeps. Activate. We're gonna activate this here. Yep. Settings. I do have to what you call it. Yeah. Shouldn't it work? Okay, you trying to play me, bro? You trying to play me, bro? You trying to play me, bro? We'll go back here. If it breaks structure, don't give me a double bottom. Break structure. Break overall structure, please. Break overall structure, please. Come on, load up, load up, load up, load up. There we go. I'm gonna do 10. Yeah. Oh wow, I got 32 bucks locked in. Let's go. We balling out here like Derrick Rose. Actually, I should lock in 55 bucks, huh? Just to make sure I get over 500. Should I do that? Yeah, sure, why not? Uh, 56 plus commission. So let's go 15. Lock in 15 points. There we go. All right, cool. Just mental BS that I'm doing right there. That's all it is. Um, post. Don't do me like that, bro. What add-on? All right, let's see. Set up checklist? Does that mean putting myself? I don't trade on this platform, so it's not needed. Chat. All right, let's see. Okay, cool. All right, let's see here. Liquidity maker. Um, More than 20. Okay, sure. Let's see this here. What does this look like? Liquidity tracker free. Smooth lines. I don't know what it is, so let's like large order alerts. Enable. Well, that's just the alert that I have, right? Individual trades over 50. Oh, okay, yeah, sure.
Example. Trade NQM5CME at TM Light by price 2500.0. Size 15.0. Trade. Instrument. By 32. Trade NQM5CME at TM Light by price 21,658.25. Trade. Instrument. By 86.
Oh shit!
Trade. Instrument. By 86.
Oh!
Trade.
It
Instrument.
went to
By
62.
25. Trade.
652.
Instrument. By
Oh,
25.
Nikes. I called it. I didn't think. Well, I didn't call it actually. I didn't think it was gonna get there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 32. Okay, get the fuck out of here. Where's my line? Where's my line? 84. 84. Come to 80. I'm going to 80. Fuck this shit. There we go. You know what? Fuck all this. Just take the profits, bro, and be good for the day.
Trade. Instrument.
Order filled.
By
Okay,
79.
I ain't playing.
Trade NQM5CME at TM Light by price 21,663.25. Size 79.0. Trade. Instrument. By 79.
I don't like that voice. I don't like that voice though. Can I change the voice? Can I change the voice? Oh yeah. Excuse me. Can I change that voice? All right. Well, I'm done for the day. Let's see. Six 40. Yeah, something like that. That's fine. Okay. Well, uh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, this gonna be a perfect freaking 23 fib now. Just look for the 23 fib and catch that sucker moving on upside now. That could be an easy move. And that's the beautiful thing about this alert, bro. If you look here, this alert here, and this is why I'm saying that I need to focus more on using this alert and just sticking to it because if
Trade.
you look,
Instrument. By
holy
102.
shit.
Trade NQM5CME at TM Light by price 21,668.5. Size 102.0. Trade. Instrument. By 102.
Yeah, I like the other one better. This one is not, nah, I like the other one better. I like the other one better. Close this out. The other one is better. It's short. Trade instrument, boom, it's short. Alert, easy, concise, not all that extra fluff bullshit. Configure. Manage plugin. Oh no, that's just the data feed. Boom. We go back up here. Where did I put that? Oh, no, I don't, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. All right. Well, there we go. So to end the day, that's how I'm ending the day, guys. Oops. This account and yeah, so I'll lock it out. 650 is better than nothing. You know, I need to just trade smaller and smarter like I normally trade versus being a freaking aggressive prick. You know, $200 a day ain't bad. It'll add up. Oh my God, look at that move. Look at that move. Wow. But yeah, as I was saying, if I just focus on this alert that I set up, oh my God. Oh my God. Like, look at this. All right. Let's just say, because the alerts came here. All right, let's just say I'm scared because I wanted to confirm before I move, right? So I'll wait for at least 2 candles. So let's just say I started here, right? And the goal is always you want to trail by the alert. So my stop loss will be below this here. So let's just say I go 50 points, right? Or whatever, below structure, right? Okay, cool. Now, the question that comes into play is if I were to do that, okay, and I just trail, this is one to as high as 1 to 3, but I would have gotten stopped out here on this here if I would have trailed stops, right? So I would have got a 1 to 2 on this trade here. Now, how many contracts would that be? So one contract would be 70, right? $70, yeah. So 3 contracts on this here would be 250. So that's around $700. So I would have made $700 on this move. And then on this move, same thing. Let's just say I'm trading a little scary. I don't take this entry. I don't take this entry. I wait until this one here, and I take this. Stop loss is above, structure, which is here. So that's now 50 points, right? Okay, so that's going to be 2 contracts, right? Yeah, because I can go 2.5. So 2 contracts on that. That's 250, $200, right? So right now, I will be up. Oops, shit. I will be up approximately 1 to 1 if I just follow this trail. And if I didn't, and I just went with where I wanted to put my TPs, 1 to 2, I'm almost there. I mean, that's 2 trades. If I focus on just 1 to 2, risk to reward, I got that. Because now, one of the things that can always come into play is I don't need to do anything crazy. Sure, sure, that's cool. Yep, there it is. Huh, interesting. Let's just say, yeah, he hit it. Because obviously, yeah, whatever. Yeah, he hit it. Yep, there it is. My freaking alerts. This alert is actually great. This one that I'm sharing in the group chat, uh, it's good. I ain't gonna lie, but it's doing what I said, what I'm talking about, right? Because it's waiting, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes before it gives you the go. That's too much. This one here waited 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's do this here. Yeah, almost 15 minutes before it gives the go. Eh, But here's the thing, though, right? I would have gotten stopped out here. See, on this trade here, I would have definitely gotten stopped out, and that's something I missed. Yep, I would have gotten stopped out if I trailed the stop. Yep. But here's the thing, though, right? Would I trail the stop here? Because I'm only getting in here. My stop is here. Would I aggressively start trailing immediately? Now, what's the rule? 1 to 1 before you trail? Maybe not 1 to 1? Interesting. Huh. All right, well, That's it, folks. I am done for the day.